Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts Today. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the cost of DIY TV repair. So we're going to be breaking this down into a couple of different facets. First, the cost of parts, and then the cost of labor and tools. We are also going to be discussing another facet, not necessarily pertaining to cost, but this is the knowledge and resources available when it comes to troubleshooting and diagnosis. So jumping right into the cost of parts, we can take a look at what we here at TV Parts Today have leaving our facility on a daily basis. In a vast majority of situations, we see parts ranging from $40 to $60, with some of our parts being listed as low as $20. To put this into context, just having a TV repair shop look at your TV can cost upwards of $200. Most people don't realize that you can purchase a new circuit board for $20 to $100, and within a few minutes you can swap this out of your television, get your new part in there, and completely avoid having to purchase a new television altogether. Next, let's break down the price of tools and labor. In most situations, we have found that you can successfully swap out a board in your TV with just a Phillips head screwdriver, and it usually takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. We also do in some situations utilize a spudger. It is just a small wedge-shaped piece of plastic that we can use to help pry the back off of a TV or help to loosen a board that is attached to the chassis. And in our experience, these are all the tools that you will need to successfully swap a board out of your television there right at home. When it comes to diagnosis and troubleshooting for DIY TV repair, there is a lot of information available for you online. But we here at TV Parts Today have a knowledgeable and helpful customer service department that is ready to answer your questions about everything from matching up part numbers to narrowing down the specific issues that you could be experiencing in your TV. Even after you figure out which part that you need to order and it arrives there to your house, TV Parts Today has hundreds of videos online showcasing how to remove the back plate of your television, as well as how to swap out the various components that you have in your specific television. TV Parts Today is the #1 DIY hub for TV repair, and we really do have you covered every step of the way. In conclusion, TV Parts Today is here to help you with almost any issue that your television may be experiencing. And for as little as $20 in 20 minutes, we can help you get your TV fixed at home. If you have any questions about TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. Also, head over to www.tvpartstoday.com. You can check out our numerous blog articles, our Wizard of TV repair, and our massive inventory of parts available to purchase. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.